The Lamborghini Revuelto is the automaker's new flagship model, replacing the Aventador. It's also a plug-in hybrid and signals a change for the iconic company as it focuses on the industry's digitized future that goes well beyond the car. A new video provides a behind-the-scenes look at the Revuelto's production process, showing off the high-tech artistry and the artisans who build it. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Here, you'll find all the latest news and information about cars, trucks, and everything automotive. We are dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date information on new models, industry trends, and the latest advancements in automotive technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. The Revuelto is the ultimate expression of design and engineering expertise from the Italian brand. It is also the first plug-in hybrid bull with a combined output of 1,001 horsepower from the new 6.5-liter V12 and a trio of electric motors. This explains why the company invested 150 million euros in the Sant'Agata Bolognese plant, expanding the area by 1,072,000 square meters and upgrading the machinery in order to host the new family member. The Revuelto's modular production line is comprised of 15 stations that are flexible thanks to the use of autonomous vehicles. This will allow Lamborghini to quickly adapt to changes in production volumes, model mix, or other production needs, like adding a new engine and better serve customers' customization requests. Employees in specialized areas such as hybrid and engine technology, saddlery, and others undergo more than 500 hours of training in order to build the Revuelto. Lamborghini also completely fabricates the Revuelto's carbon fiber monocoque in Sant'Agata, with the chassis being 25% stiffer and 10% lighter than the Aventador's. The company is also assembling the Revuelto's electric motor in-house, a first for the automaker. Each one undergoes testing, which puts the motor through a static, a dynamic, and an NVH test. Lamborghini also performs a load test that simulates the Nardo circuit. We won't have to wait too much longer for the Revuelto to go on sale, as it will launch in the US later this year for the 2024 model year. Lamborghini hasn't announced how much it will cost, but we expect it to supersede the Aventador's $500,000 price tag. However, until then, you can configure one to your heart's content and worry about paying for your dream supercar later. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.